Hi, beautiful investors. My name is Ibeju Lekki of Ibeju Lekki, and I'm super excited today to be at the Siriwon town. Siriwon town is a beautiful place. This place is an already residential environment. We have residents living not too far from here. I present to you the Lagoon Frontier estate. Lagoon Frontier estate is a beautiful estate that is a lagoon front land. Imagine you having a lagoon front land that you can use to build a resort. You can also use to build an hotel. This is an estate that will get sold out in no time. The phase one of this estate is already sold out. Now, this is why you need to subscribe to this estate. This estate is not too far from the road. It's about 2 minutes drive away from the road, the Lekki Free Zone Road. Now, this estate also is very close to Dangote private jetty. It is close to Dangote Refinery. The Dangote Refinery is about 5 minutes drive from here. Also, the power factory is not far at all. The Lekki Free Zone is about 15 minutes drive from this location. This location is a prime location for all smart investors. This estate right now is selling out very fast. It's at an affordable rate of 7.5 million naira. Very soon, in a couple of weeks, this estate will be appreciated to 10 million naira per plot. A commercial plot here attracts 30% extra, and that means that that land will be directly facing the lagoon. Come to the lagoon front part. Let me show you what we have there. Welcome to the good part. Now, this is the lagoon front part of this amazing estate. This estate is selling out very fast. Imagine you being very close to the nature. This is the lagoon. I remain my humble self, Ibeju Lekki of Ibeju Lekki. This estate has a very good title, which is the Gazette title. Now, guess what? The commercial plot is selling out very fast. We have limited plot for the commercial plot. This estate we appreciate to 10 million naira in a couple of weeks. You, as a smart investor, you don't want to miss out on this great opportunity to own a plot directly facing the lagoon in this estate. My name is Ibeju Lekki of Ibeju Lekki. Click on that subscribe button, and I'll be so happy to bring you here for inspection. Catch you later. Bye.